Today's our experiment is determination of molar absorptivity of potassium permanganate. Instruments, glasswares and chemicals used in this experiment are digital photocolorimeter, a cuvette that is the sample container, a burette, standard flask, beaker and wash bottle. Fill the burette with the stock solution after washing and rinsing. Using the stock solution from the burette, prepare 5 different concentrated solutions of 10 ml, 20 ml, 30 ml, 40 ml and 50 ml non-concentrated solutions. Now, in the standard flask labeled as 10, take 10 ml stock solution and make up to the 100 ml mark. Similarly, take a standard flask labeled as 20 ml and burette out 20 ml of stock solution and made up to 100 ml mark. In the same way, solutions of 30 ml, 40 ml and 50 ml are also buretted out and made up to 100 ml. There is one more solution, that is the unknown solution, which will be provided, is also needed to be made up to 100 ml. We have to set the zero reading in the instrument. For that, fill the cuvette with the distilled water. After wiping the cuvette with the tissue paper, insert it into the cavity provided and adjust the knob to get the zero reading in the display. Now the reading in the instrument become 0. Throughout this experiment, the wavelength in the instrument is set as 52 nanometer. We have to take the absorbance value of each sample solutions prepared. In order to note down the absorbance value of each solution, we have to rinse and fill the cuvette with each sample solution. Now the cuvette is filled with the solution containing 10 ml stock solution. It is inserted in the cavity provided in the instrument and absorbance value is noted. For this, we got the observation as 0.29. In the same way, the absorbance of remaining solutions, that is 30 ml, 40 ml, 50 ml and unknown solution is noted and the observations obtained. In the observation column, we have to note down the concentration, absorbance and molar absorptivity. In order to note down the concentration, we have to calculate the concentration of each solution prepared. It can be calculated using the equation V1 M1 is equal to V2 M2. In the first solution, we have taken 10 ml of the stock solution provided. So the value of V1 is 10 ml. The stock solution provided, which have the molarity 0.01. So the M1 is equal to 0.01 molar solution. The 0.01 molar solution of 10 ml is made up to 100 ml in the first standard flask. So the value of V2 will be 100 ml. Now the prepared solution, that is the concentration of the prepared solution, can be calculated as M2 is equal to V1 M1 divided by V2. That is equal to 10 into 0.01 divided by 100. That is 0.001 mole per liter. Concentrations of the other solutions also calculated by using the same mathematical equation in substituting V1 as 20, 30, 40 and 50 respectively. So we obtain the value as 0.002, 0.003, 0.004 and 0.005. In the third column, we have to calculate the molar absorptivity. To calculate the molar absorptivity, we have the equation A is equal to epsilon Cl. Here A is the absorbance, epsilon is the molar absorptivity, C is the concentration and L is the thickness of the medium. Equation A is equal to epsilon Cl. The molar absorptivity, that is epsilon, can be calculated as epsilon is equal to A by C into L. For the first solution, the A absorbance is 0.29 and concentration C is 0.001. So epsilon is equal to 0.29 divided by 0.001 and the value of L is 1. So that is 0.29 divided by 0.001 into 1, which is equal to 290. Similarly, the molar absorptivity of remaining concentrated solutions can be calculated by substituting respective absorbance and concentration values, and it can be obtained as 250, 210, 187.5 and 164. Average of this 5 molar absorptivity values also to be find out. It is obtained as 220.3. Next, a graph is plotted with absorbance against concentration of KMnO4. That is, the concentration values are plotted in x-axis and absorbance values are plotted in y-axis. Then we get a straight line. From the graph, we can calculate the unknown concentration of KMnO4. Here, we obtained the graph as this. From this graph, we can find out the unknown concentration using its absorbance value. We have got 0.56 as the unknown absorbance. So, from this 0.56 that is plotted in the y-axis, draw a straight line which cut the straight line obtained. From that, draw a straight line towards the x-axis from which we can obtain the concentration of unknown solution as 0.0025 mole per liter. One more thing, we should note down the scale of this graph. Here, the scale taken as in the x-axis for 10 division is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole per liter, and in y-axis 10 divisions is equal to 0.01. The result can be reported as unknown concentration of KMnO4 from graph. From our graph, we have obtained the unknown concentration as 0.0025 mole per liter, or it can also be reported as 2.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 mole per liter.